A coronavirus vaccine is inching closer to becoming reality here in this country.
The federal government is preparing to ship nearly 3 million doses of Pfizer's vaccine with hopes for emergency FDA approval tomorrow. Governor Cuomo says shipments could arrive in New York State as early as this weekend and in the city as early as Tuesday. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner live now on the West Side with more. Lisa?
Christina, Maurice, that is right. Some healthcare workers will be among the first getting those doses. For example, the Mount Sinai Health System behind me plans to vaccinate around 15% of its staff. But tonight there are new concerns about the side effects for those with allergies. Just one day after thousands of high-risk individuals and healthcare workers got the first official round of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, health officials in the UK issued an urgent warning, saying 2 healthcare workers who have severe allergies experienced allergic reactions after getting the shot. Now the head of Operation Warp Speed in the U.S. says,
personally, I would go for the caution and avoid vaccinating people with severe allergies.
Still, with Thursday's pending FDA approval, supply in the U.S. won't meet demand. Pfizer is one of 2 drug manufacturers seeking emergency use authorization. Pfizer and Moderna say they will each produce 100 million doses, which at 2 doses per person would only vaccinate about 30% of the American population. In New York State, the first priority is to vaccinate nursing home residents, staff, and high-risk hospital workers.
So folks like the nurses and the physicians, the respiratory therapists that are doing treatments, as well as people like the environmental service workers.
Pfizer says it will not be able to add additional doses until the summer because other countries have bought most of their supply. But the New York State Federation of Taxi Drivers is calling on Pfizer to donate 30,000 doses to them.
We are transporting those that don't feel symptoms. And they're the ones that are going to get us infected.
It's not clear when phase 2 of New York's vaccine distribution would take place. It targets first responders, school staff and students, and public-facing essential workers like grocery store employees and transit operators. And the 2 people in the UK who had allergic reactions had EpiPens on them, used them, and are okay. For now, experts are advising pregnant women, those who are under 16, and transplant patients avoid the vaccine until more research is done. Live on the West Side, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.